Hey everyone, welcome back. If you love smartphone photography, you'll want to hear about this. A new leak suggests that Huawei is working on a huge camera upgrade for one of its upcoming flagship phones, a 200-megapixel periscope camera. Yep, you heard that right. 200 megapixels, paired with a periscope lens. This information comes from a reliable source on Weibo, a popular Chinese social media platform. At first, the tipster didn't directly mention Huawei, but it's now being widely reported that Huawei is testing this powerful new camera. So why is this a big deal? Let's break it down. Periscope cameras are designed to give you way better zoom than regular phone cameras. Most phones can zoom in a little, but the image quality usually drops when you zoom too far. A periscope camera uses a special setup inside the phone to offer much higher optical zoom. That means you can zoom in without losing image quality. Now, imagine combining that with a 200-megapixel sensor. You'll get super sharp details, whether you're taking close-ups or zooming in from far away. According to the leak, this new setup could offer between 3x and 10x optical zoom. That means you could zoom up to 10 times without sacrificing picture quality. This would be perfect for people who love taking photos of landscapes, cityscapes, or just want to get a clear shot from far away. Think about it. You could snap a portrait with a beautifully blurred background, and then instantly zoom in to capture a clear photo of a mountain, a building, or a concert stage, all with the same lens. That's what makes this upgrade so exciting. Now, when will we see this in action? The upcoming Huawei Pur Ultra is expected to have a powerful 10x optical zoom camera, similar to the one we saw in the P40 Pro Plus. But since the new 200-megapixel periscope camera is still being tested, it probably won't appear in the Pur 80 lineup, which is set to launch in June 2025. Instead, if this leak is accurate, the best chance to see this new camera would be with the Huawei Mate 80 series. These are Huawei's top-tier flagship phones, usually released later in the year. They're known for introducing Huawei's latest and most advanced features. According to the source, this powerful new camera might only be available on the highest-end version, like the Mate 80 Pro Plus or a possible Mate 80 Ultra. That makes sense because such high-tech hardware would likely come with a premium price tag. It's interesting because while other phone brands like Xiaomi and Vivo have already launched phones with 200-megapixel cameras, Huawei has stayed pretty quiet. This move might be their way of catching up and showing they can still lead in smartphone photography. But let's keep in mind, these are just leaks for now. Huawei hasn't officially confirmed any of this, so take it with a grain of salt, even eyes. So it's exciting to think about how this could change phone photography. In the meantime, we'll have the Pur 80 Ultra to look forward to, which should still have amazing camera upgrades, even if it doesn't include the 200-megapixel periscope sensor just yet. So, what do you think? Would you buy a phone just because it has a 200-megapixel periscope camera? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech news and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.